Hey, this is Eddie here at Jekill and Hyde, USA, and we offer a electronically and manually adjustable exhaust system for Harley Davidson, BMW, Indian, and Triumph. Our whole claim to fame is that there's a valve inside of our mufflers. With the valve closed, all the exhaust gases get forced through the perforations into the packing. That's how we're able to get it quiet down close to stock around 85 decibel. Hitting a button at the handlebar opens the valve and allows it to free flow. If you hit the button twice, we give you a third option. It can also go halfway. All our systems are constructed of 100% stainless steel. Our packing is made out of Nomad, so it never has to be repacked, never blows out. And it also, since it is a Nomad, that's what they make flame retardant suits out of. It's actually a heat barrier to the outer shell, so it eliminates any kind of bluing or discoloration of the coating. So we just installed one on this 1300 GS Adventure, and it looks really cool. It sounds great, and let me show you how it works. Our system works with CAN bus, so when the CAN bus system shuts down, the valve cannot be opened or closed because it works with the CAN bus system. However, when you turn the bike on, it powers the exhaust. There's a button located here. You can click it. You can actually hear it open up. You can close it, and if you hit it twice, it goes halfway. So we'll go ahead and we'll start the bike when it's closed. The button. Close it. Open it. Halfway, hit it twice. Close. Open.
All right, go.
So the cool thing about it is when you shut the bike off, once the CAN bus system shuts down, the valve will automatically close and go back to the Dr. Jekyll mode. So every time you start your bike, you're in the quiet mode and you actually have to think about making some noise. So it's very neighbor friendly, and it's a great way to sneak out of your neighborhood or sneak out of your house without disturbing anybody. For more information, check us out, jekillandhyde.us.
The Nomad S sounds incredible. Thank you, Eddie, for your support in expertly installing the exhaust. We can't wait to see who wins the BMW R1300 GSA we're giving away. It's completely free to participate. Check the link in the description to find out how you can enter for your chance to win. The sweepstakes is open until July 31st.